Hi, this is Gareth from Digital Shed45, and I'm going to run you through our plugin Rename Divi Projects. As the name suggests, with this plugin, now you can rename Divi projects. So as an example, I'm building a website here that is showcasing properties for let. And I want to use the projects custom post type to store each property. And I want to use the project's filterable portfolio module to display all the properties and allow the user to filter by property type. But it makes no semantic sense for the URL to be called project. Wouldn't it be better if we could change this to something like /property? But still keep the functionality of the Divi portfolio modules? Well, with this plugin, now you can. So what you need to do is, first of all, install the plugin and activate it. When you do, you'll see that there's a settings option here, but you can also find that under settings, rename Divi projects, which means that it's restricted to site admins only. On this screen, we can change all the labels and the menu icon and the URLs for the project's custom post type, its categories, and its tags. So I'm just going to change these for a property website. So I've just quickly updated these to property. As you can see, we've got property, properties. The slug, that's the URL, is now property, and we've changed the category settings labels for both singular and plural, and it's slug, and same for the tags. The last thing we need to do is to select a menu icon which will appear up in the left hand side navigation. So we've got a drop down menu that has a list of all the default WordPress dash icons grouped by category, each with a preview, and there's also a handy search box at the top. There's also a link here to the dash icons documentation page if that's easier for you to navigate and find the name of the icon that you want. So I know that there's one called Home, so we'll just search for that. Select that, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom and we will save the changes. So when we do that, keep an eye on the left hand navigation project. That will change. There we have it. So when we go into what was projects, now called properties, we'll see that all the labels have been updated, both in the navigation and in the screen. If I check our website now, do a refresh, we'll notice that the URL changes from project to property. And if we go back here to our actual website, give it a refresh. If you look down at the bottom, you'll see that the URLs have all changed to property as well. Our filterable portfolio module is working as before, and the portfolio module also works, and the full width portfolio module also works as expected. That's pretty much it. If you want to reverse what you've done and return to the projects, all you need to do is go back into plugins, deactivate, and the only other step is we need to go into settings and permalinks here to flush the URL rewrite cache, which basically will reset everything back to project. Everything's stored in the WordPress database. So if I return to the plugins and reactivate it, the settings will still be there. The way to get rid of that is once you've deactivated it, you would need to delete it, and that will delete your custom values from the database. And that is how to use the Rename Divi Projects plugin. You can use it on an unlimited number of sites, so go on and be creative. Thank you.